Good morning everyone. Today we are going to have a topic on agricultural productivity. I am Dr. N. Sridevi, Assistant Professor of Economics, Armuham Police Demal College, Tirupattur. So, what are the factors determining agricultural productivity? So, here are the listed factors which determines the agricultural productivity. The foremost is the irrigation facilities. So, if we have a proper irrigation facility, then the yield will be good, and agricultural equipments should be of optimal use. We can use the equipments according to the need, and the agricultural inputs applied depends upon the quality of the seed and the quality of the various fertilizers we apply in it, and the scientific cultivation. When we use scientific cultivation, it is very good for the productivity. And if the sealing on land also determines the agricultural productivity. If we have a high land, then we can yield a lot. We can bring out large amount of yield, and agricultural marketing should be good in an area so that we can we can market the products that we have produced. If agricultural marketing is not good in an area, specific area, then the price of the products will not be up to the mark. The soil conservation. So often when we discuss about soil conservation, many of the farmers do not use this conservative methods. So it is very important to use the conservation methods to keep the soil in fertile. And you should also education and research. So whenever we are into an farming, we should also have a research on the various markets and also on the price of the products. So this will help us to produce the output in a very big manner. And the improvements in the quality of livestock also is an important factor determining the agricultural productivity. And the importance of increase in agriculture. If when agricultural productivity increases, it creates economic surplus. Of course, agriculture is the backbone of a country, and the surplus amount from the economical side is very good for the development of an economy. And when we increase the agricultural productivity, it releases the surplus labor, and increased purchasing power also is among the members of the economy. So causes for low general productivity. Here are the three main factors. One is the general factors, the next one is institutional factors, and the last one is the technological factors. Let us see these factors one by one. First, the general factors, that is the lack of productive investment, and we have the natural calamities. It is not in our hand. Even now the COVID-19 has created a very great impact. So it is a natural calamity. And excessive dependence. So excessive dependence is also one of the important factor for low agricultural productivity. Then the social factors. So people stick into the social stigma. That is, when they don't come into the modern equipments, they use the obsolete techniques of production. So this leads to low productivity and lack of adequate finance. So coming to rural economy, they are coming from a very poor background, and they don't have enough finance facilities. So they have to stop in a while when they are in the production process. And most of the areas we don't find the marketing facilities. So these are the general factors. The next is the institutional factors. So this we have two types, that is small size of holdings. So the holdings are segmented into very small size, so they're not able to use the effective technologies, that is a scientific technology in their land. And the defective pattern of land tenure is also one of the reasons. And the next we come under the technological factors. So they follow the traditional methods of cultivation. This we saw in the social stigma also. So they don't come out of those traditional methods, and there is a lack of high yielding seeds within the economy, within the rural economy. Then scanty use of fertilizers. Then indebtedness is one of the main reasons. As they don't have a proper source of income, they borrow with high interest, and this leads to indebtedness. And that they're not able to produce in adequate way, or they may not involve in production in the further periods. And inadequate irrigation facilities. So most of the land don't have proper irrigation facilities. They depend on rainfall, which is not proper, and there is no scientific methods of cultivation. And agricultural research, they are not provided with proper research facilities. So this has to be carried out in an extensive manner so that we can increase the agricultural productivity. And the land policy and legislation also play an important part in the productivity process of agriculture. So I hope you understood the agricultural productivity, its importance, and how it affects the agricultural productivity. Thank you.